Welcome to this video tutorial where we're going to look at how to use destination apertures in the Vault platform software to create deliverable files of different resolutions. We have a source clip in the Vault platform library from the Arri Alexa camera. The original resolution is 2880 by 1620. We have already applied a source aperture to specify an aspect of 239 on this clip. If we select the clip and launch Vault Review, we can see the source aperture is applied. Grey masking is top and bottom of the image. We can also select if it's a hard black mask, also if an outline is applied. Once we're happy with the aperture setting, then we can exit Vault Review and we can start transcoding. I have a job set up to create ProRes proxy files of 2K resolution. If we start that, then we can see on the desktop a generate folder is created, and in here the ProRes file has letterboxing applied and the resolution is 2048 by 1080. If we want to change the resolution of this file, then we need to change some settings. So if we go into our project settings, under deliverables we have the ProRes proxy file defined. Currently the destination aperture is set to 2K. This setting controls the resolution of the file to be created. So we can change this, for example, selecting HD and all. And if we save this and then return to our library and perform another transcode, we will see that the file created is at 1920 by 1080 resolution. If we don't want the source image to fill the destination entirely, then we can also specify that with a destination aperture. If we go back to our project settings and edit the destination aperture, this time we can select HD, for example, but we may only want the image to fill 90% of that HD size. If we return to the library, we can perform that transcode again. This time we can see that that safe area is reflected in the image that's created. There are presets for most common uses under framings, but you may also want to create your own framings. The presets marked with D can be used when creating a destination aperture and applying that to a deliverable. The presets marked with S can be applied to clips at the source to define the region that we want to use for transcoding. If we want to add our own template, then we can open this list here and, for example, create a 2K destination. And we may want to specify a window inside this destination for the image to fill. We can see that that window defaults to being at the top left, so we can click this button here to centralize the window and then click Save. Now under our deliverable, we can change our settings to use that destination framing. And if we return to the library and perform a transcode again, this time we can see that the output file created is 2048 by 1152 and that the image is scaled down to be 1920 by 1080 maximum inside of that.